Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to clean up this amazing computer. We built this computer I think 6 or 7 months ago, and as you can see right here it's all covered in dust. It's not so bad, but of course after 5 or 6 months it is recommended to do some cleaning. Okay, so right now we are going to use this air can, some paper towel, vacuum cleaner and some window cleaner. Nothing fancy, nothing out of normal, and as you can see it's inside is pretty dusty inside. I never imagined that it's going to be so dusty inside. First thing we are going to do, we are going to take apart this case and we are going to clean the filters. This case is a Be Quiet solid base 802, and as you can see the filters are really interesting and really good quality. They are managing to keep a lot of dust out of the case. Yeah, that's quite some accumulation. And of course on the top of the case is going to be another filter, which is going to need some thorough cleaning. Before we start to clean the filters, I'm going to clean the case, the outside of the case, because of course it's pretty dusty. I never imagined that so much dust can accumulate on a case, even though I have a pretty clean room. Right now it's time to take out the side panels, which are pretty easy to remove. This Be Quiet case is really modular and it's really easy to work with. It's really easy to clean inside of it, and yeah, as you can see there is some dust inside, but it's not going to be a really big problem. It's going to be really easy to remove it. I'm just gonna use normal window cleaner. You don't need to use a specific solution for removing the dust. And of course the mighty vacuum cleaner is going to do his job really nice. This Be Quiet case has a third filter and it's positioned under the case. Yeah, right there is the power supply, and as you can see it's a really good quality filter. Look how much dust it keeps out of the power supply. And of course we are going to clean this filter up really well right now. All these filters are made of plastic, and of course you can wash them really well if you want, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to clean them really well with the vacuum cleaner, because of course as you can see right here it's really interesting to clean them. It's pretty satisfying. And I have to admit the fact that I never thought this type of filters are going to be so helpful. Just look how much dust they keep out of the case, and you are going to see on the middle of the video that these filters are doing a fair job keeping the dust out of the graphics card, which is the main component and the most expensive component of all. The job is done right here. The filters are all cleaned up, and we are going to go to the next step, which is going to be cleaning the CPU cooler. The CPU cooler is liquid base and it's Be Quiet Pure Loop 360, and as you can see how much helpful is this type of case. We don't need to take the cooler out, we just have to unscrew 2 screws on the case and we have to pull out this tray. The cooler itself, the radiator, is screwed to this tray. All you have to do is pull it out and you are going to be able to clean it really well with the vacuum cleaner. Just look how easy it is to clean the radiator. You don't have to unscrew it from the case. All you have to do is pull that tray out. and the job is going to be done in a few moments. Guys, this is why I always insist in buying expensive cases, because even though you are not going to feel the need for expensive case on the moment you do your build, in time you are going to see that these little details are going to help you a lot maintaining the computer, and it's going to be really easy to clean it up or to make small interventions when you are going to need to change some components or to do some upgrades. Okay, right here we are going to see how easy it is to clean the fans. These are the fans included with the case. They are Pure Wings, I think Be Quiet Pure Wings 2. They are 140 millimeters fans, and yeah, you can really put your finger inside and clean them really well without damaging the fan, or without damaging your finger, because trying to clean the fans on the job without taking them out, it might be really painful for your fingers. A big case is always going to be really easy to clean and easy to work with, and of course it's going to allow you to install bigger fans, which also are going to be really easy to clean. And right here we are going to clean the cooler fans. These are Pure Wings too, but they are 120 millimeters. And of course, as you can see, there's quite some dust accumulations, but if you have a lot of patience, you are going to clean them really well. And of course, do not forget to check out the graphics card. As you can see right here, there's absolutely no dust inside. I'm going to spray some air inside in order to remove the remaining dust particles. Okay, now it's time to put everything back, put back all the filters, and of course the side panel. I cleaned the side panel also with window cleaner. And yeah, you saw that the graphics card, it has no dust because the filters are really good. And this is the final result, guys. What do you think? What do you think? I think I spent around 2 hours cleaning this baby up, and to be honest, I do not regret not even 1 minute. I recommend doing this job, I think, every once, I don't know, maybe once every 6 months. If you do not have the time to do it once every 6 months, or you just forget, I think you should try to do it once every year, because as you can see, this is approximately 6 months of using one computer in a pretty clean room. You can imagine how much dust can go inside in 1 year, and remember, this is a very clean room. So this is the final result. I'm curious, what do you think about this type of video? Please leave me a comment in the comment section down below, and of course we have to put it back plug everything back and see if the computer is still working, because as you know, there is an unwritten law which states very clearly that once you unplug everything from a computer, there are really high chances plugging everything back the computer is not going to work anymore. This is the video for this week. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to post a lot of interesting videos in the near future. I have a lot of projects on the drawing board for this channel, so I would really appreciate your thought about this channel, about this video, and of course what kind of video you would like to see in the near future. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll have a very nice day.